Hi guys, so I'm just looking for some help if anyone has some suggestions. My setup here is a Seriously Pro F3 Evo here. I've got some Racestar 20 amp Opto escs here, DYS BE 1806, just from an old copter, and then we have a power distribution board over here. You can see the power comes into the PDB here, and then my ESCs are receiving this 3S charge from the PDB directly through here. So that's powering these two ESCs. So I've just got the two on the go at the moment. I haven't connected motors up to these ones. And then I just have the motors connected here. I then have the signal wires coming round to my flight controller. Here, as you can see, I've got the signal on the ground only. I've got a separate power supply coming to the flight controller from the PDB, which is the 5-volt supply from here. This is going to be my VBAT, so that's nothing to do with it. So the 5-volt here. I've got my receiver, that seems to be working okay when I connect it. Now, the issue I'm having is I'm unable to spin up my motors. So if I now connect the power, you'll hear the ESCs or motors do their jingle, or do a jingle anyways. Okay, so I now have power to my PDB. These made a noise, some noise, I'm not sure what the noises are, but now I've connected to my laptop. So I'll come back to BL Heli in a moment. I'm not particularly familiar with it. I flashed Betaflight. I actually had iNav on it originally. I thought that might have been causing problems, but no, I'm getting the same problem with Betaflight as I was with iNav. So if I now connect, you can see I connect okay. It's picking up my flight controller. I go to my configuration. I've been trying, just sort of randomly trying different things. So if I just put it back to, I don't know, 1-shot 42, save and reboot. I'm not really sure what the ESC protocol on these are, to be honest. It says it's BL Heli S, and it supports the code. Where are we? The code supports actually 1-shot 125 and 42 and multi-shot. So I guess I can choose any of those. I don't know. Okay, so anyways, so I've just changed the ESC protocol to 42. I go to my motors and here is the issue. So to my knowledge, I should be able to click OK, spin it up, and I get nothing. Nada. I have no idea why that's happening. So it looks, I think it's connected correctly. This is about my third build, but I'm by no means any expert. Nothing. And if I try to connect to the ESCs in BL Heli, using the Scilabs, connect, so it connects, unknown ESC. If I try and read the setup, just says found multiple, nothing's in there, okay, and then it says serial interface connected successfully, i.e. I think the USB, connection to the ESC failed. I would have hoped the pass-through would have worked, but no. Any help would be much appreciated. I'll put some more details up in my post as well. Thank you guys.